take a breath. We're going to do something your skin has been asking for. Most people think of skincare as a chore, something to rush through before bed, something they'll do properly someday. But what if I told you, the 5 minutes you spend on your skin tonight could be the most grounding 5 minutes of your entire day? This isn't a routine. This is a ritual, an act of care, a quiet conversation between you and the face you carry through the world. And it starts with one simple truth: your skin is alive. It breathes, it repairs, it remembers. Every gesture you give it tonight, it holds. So let's be intentional. Let's be slow. Let's be present. Step-by-step routine. Step 1. Oil cleanser. Cleanse. Passe 1. Step 1. The first before we can rebuild, we have to release. Pump a small amount of cleansing oil into your dry palms. Feel the weight of it, warm, silky, almost golden in texture. Press both hands together gently. Let it come to body temperature. Now bring your fingertips to your forehead and begin. Slow, upward circles. Not scrubbing, not rushing, massaging. Your skin has spent the entire day absorbing pollution, sunscreen, sweat, the invisible residue of everything you moved through. This oil is a magnet. It dissolves what your skin has been holding on to. Work it across your cheeks, down the sides of yours, along your jawline. Spend an extra moment right here on the sides of your nose where blackheads love to settle in, those tiny dark dots that have quietly accumulated over days, over weeks. The oil is already beginning to loosen them. Like lifting a curtain. You're not fighting your skin right now, you're listening to it. Add a little warm water to emulsify the oil, feel it transform into a soft milky foam, and rinse clean. Completely, your canvas is ready. Step cleans pays 2. Step 2, the deep cleanse. Now, the second act, this is where we go deeper. Take your BHA-infused foam cleanser. Work it between your palms until it builds into a cloud of fine, airy foam. Then, press it onto your face, no friction yet, just presence. Begin with your T-zone. That strip running from your forehead down through your nose and chin, the highway where most blackheads live. Here's something most skincare videos won't tell you. Blackheads aren't dirt, they're oxidized sebum, your skin's own natural oil that has been exposed to air and darkened over time. They're not a sign of being unclean. They're just something your skin produces that needs a little help finding its way out. The salicylic acid in this cleanser is oil-soluble, which means it doesn't just sit on the surface. It descends into the pore, it breaks through the plug from the inside. Keep your movements slow and circular. Cover your nose, your chin, the fold beside your mouth. The foam is light. The work is deep. Rinse with lukewarm water. Cold is the temptation, but lukewarm is the kindness. It removes without shocking, it clears without stripping. Pat dry, don't rub. Your skin deserves a gentle hand, especially right now. Pet and indulged, emotional beat pause for a moment. Look at your face in the mirror, really look at it, not with judgment, not looking for flaws or things to fix, just noticing the skin that has carried you through every day of your life. Through weather and stress and sleep deprivation, and seasons you barely survived, it's still here, still trying. The least we can do is show up for it. Okay, let's continue. Step 3, exfoliating toner. Step 3, the toner. This is the step most people skip, and it's the step that changes everything. Your BHA toner, pour a few drops onto a cotton pad or press it directly into your palms if you want zero waste and maximum absorption. The texture is weightless, almost like water that has learned something. Press it into your skin. Don't swipe. Press. Swiping pulls. Pressing gives. Work from the center of your face outward. Let it sink in for a moment before you move to the next area. Think of your skin like a sponge that's been tensed all day. This toner is the exhale. It softens the walls of your pores, gently loosening anything still clinging to the surface. It balances the pH your cleansing routine disrupted, bringing your skin back to its natural equilibrium. Over time, regular use of this step will refine your pores. Not shrink them. Pores don't physically shrink, but clean, cleared pores appear smaller. They look smoother, quieter. And right now, after the double cleanse, right now your pores are more receptive than they will be at any other point today. What you apply next goes deeper. Step 4, Niacinamide Serum. Step 4, the serum. 3 drops, that's all. 3 drops of niacinamide serum, a silky translucent fluid that absorbs almost before you can feel it. Press it between your fingers, then press it onto your face, starting at your cheeks, where your skin holds the most tension. Work it inward, then upward. Niacinamide is one of the most quietly powerful ingredients in skincare. It regulates sebum, that oil that was filling your pores just 20 minutes ago. It calms redness. It strengthens the barrier. It brightens uneven tone. It doesn't announce itself, it just works. And here's what makes this moment matter beyond tonight. Every serum you apply now is building something future you will see in the mirror weeks from now. Skincare is correspondence with your future self. You are writing letters to her with every drop. Let it absorb. Take the moment. Notice how the skin on your face feels right now. Smooth, light, breathing. This is what cleared skin feels like. Step 5, Moisture Lighter. Step 5, the moisturizer. Now we seal it in. Take a coin-sized amount of your lightweight gel moisturizer. The texture should feel cool when it meets warm skin. A quiet contrast, a gentle reset. Warm it between your palms. Then press both hands onto your face simultaneously. Hold them there just for a breath. Let the warmth activate the formula, let your skin recognize the comfort. Now work it in. Upward stroke across the cheeks, gentle tapping around the orbital bone beneath your eyes, circular motions on your forehead where you carry all your thoughts, all your worry. A hydrated skin barrier is not a luxury, it is your skin's immune system. Without it, everything your skin faces, UV rays, environmental stress, bacteria, wind, gets through more easily. A well-moisturized barrier is like a wall with no cracks. It does its job. Feel how your skin drinks this in, not greedily, gracefully. That's what it feels like to give something exactly what it needed. Step 6, sunscreen. Step 6. And now, the step that changes everything. I want you to think about something for a moment. UV rays, UVA rays specifically, are present every single day, not just in summer, not just when the sun is visible, through windows, through clouds, through the ambient light of an overcast afternoon, silent, invisible, accumulating. Every unprotected moment in daylight is a deposit into an account of damage you won't see for years. Fine lines that appear too early, dark spots that seem to arrive from nowhere, pores that enlarge as collagen breaks down. The single most effective anti-aging, anti-hyperpigmentation, anti-everything product in skincare isn't a serum. It isn't a treatment, it's this. 2 finger lengths of SPF 50+, that's your standard. That's your daily armor. Apply it generously. Over your moisturizer, the last step of your morning ritual. Sweep it across your forehead, your cheeks, the bridge of your nose, your chin. Don't forget your neck, the skin that ages just as quickly and gets protected just as rarely. Modern sunscreens are nothing like what you remember. No white cast, no heavy film. Just a whisper-light veil between you and time. Sunscreen isn't vanity, it's preservation. It is the single most loving thing you can do for your skin. Every single morning, press it in. Let it settle, this is your shield. Thank you for watching.